Hi YouTubers, this video is part 1 of a log cabin build. It's a practice video for what I hope to be doing, and if you check out my website you'll see what I want to be building, which is hobbit houses and a caravan made from straw bales. This log cabin was purchased from Dunster House, and I have to say, the kit's really good. It looked like a plane had crashed in the front garden after delivery, but all the pieces were there and nicely protected from the elements. The instructions could be improved, but you can get by, and Dunster House have a number of videos showing how to install specific bits of the build. I'll try to highlight any issues as the build progresses. What I'm doing here is assembling bearers into a frame, with the intention of using adjustable decking risers from 𝐥𝐤𝐬𝐿. This is mainly because I don't fancy levelling the flags, but it has the added benefit of lifting the bearers off the ground. The frame is measured corner to corner, adjusted until the diagonals measure the same. This ensures the frame is square, ready to accept the cabin walls. I know the cat is interested in what's going on. She's having a good look around, checking what I'm doing. Let's check the frame is square again. Now it's time to fit the adjustable feet. These gel-plast adjustable decking risers are each capable of taking 1 ton in compression. I'm using around 30 of them, so you can imagine the total weight this deck should be capable of withstanding. What I'm more concerned with is the small timber cross-section of the bearers supplied with the log cabin. Laid on a solid base, I'm sure they'll be fine. However, lifting them off the floor, the unsupported length is disconcerting. The Dunster House instructions supplied with the kit show a plan for where the feet should be located, but I'm fitting a few extra just to be safe. The feet simply screw to the bearers, and the green adjusting ring winds down to increase the height of the feet. The walls are simple to assemble, starting with the front and back length, then the sides. They intersect and lock via cutouts at each end. The logs themselves have a double V-groove routed into them, which mate with a corresponding tongue machined into the piece below. You can see how quickly the walls can be assembled from this video. Even Mo was amazed. A block of wood and hammer help to tease the obstinate joints, but not much force is needed. holes are drilled to prevent timber splitting. Then a larger drill diameter is used to create a countersink for the screw head to sit flush with the timber face. The internal trims are temporarily removed from the frame to aid installation. Metal clips are used to help retain the door frame and the windows. Only one timber was badly warped, and Dunster House happened to supply one spare. This timber will be removed and will come in handy for other projects. We didn't film installing the windows because we wanted to get them in and secure without breaking anything. However, they simply slotted into place and the pre-cut pieces were fitted with the same metal brackets used in the door frame. The gable ends simply slot into place, they come pre-assembled, ready to hold the roof purlins. The roof purlins are probably the hardest timbers to fit, mainly because we only had one ladder between the two of us. The purlins are screwed into the gable ends at angles, and the gaps in the timber will close over time as the building settles. Hope you enjoyed part 1. Subscribe to watch the full build. Also check out the website for what I think is going to be a really exciting project.